Hello all, welcome back. The Green's theorem. Today we are going to learn Green's theorem. What is statement? Consider the closed curve C. C is a closed curve enclosing an area A. Let u and v are the functions of x and y and their first partials, that means dA by u by dA by x, dA by u by dA by y, dA by v by dA by x and dA by v by dA by y, continuous and single valued over the region bounded by the curve C. And f bar is vector point function can be written as ui bar plus vj bar. Then integration over C f bar dot dr bar, we will get integration over C u dx plus v dy. When you calculate f bar dot dr bar, you will get u into value of dr bar is dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. What is value of dr bar? Dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. When you take a dot product of f bar with dr bar, you will get u dx plus v into dy. Now, according to the Green's theorem, this integration over C, closed integral over C u dx plus v dy is equals to double integration over area A dA by v by dA by x minus dA by u by dA by y dx dy. This is a main statement of Green's theorem. What is statement of Green's theorem? Closed integral over C u dx plus v dy is equals to double integration over area A into dA by v by dA by x minus dA by u by dA by y dx dy. Now, using Stokes theorem, we can find this integration over C f bar dot dr bar. That means we can find work done, because this formula is also same for work done. Now, first example, evaluate integration over C cos y I bar plus x into 1 minus sin y j bar dot dr bar for a closed curve which is given by x square plus y square equals to 1 and z is equals to 0. Keep in mind that for using Green's theorem, the C must be a closed curve and z coordinate must be absent or value of z must be a constant term, so that value of dz becomes 0. So here there is no term of dz. So see, we have to calculate this term. So integration over C cos y I bar plus x into 1 minus sin y j bar dot product with dr bar. This is equals to integration over C cos y I bar plus x into 1 minus sin y j bar dot product with dr bar. What is dr bar? Dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. Taking dot product, integration over C cos y dx plus x into 1 minus sin y dy. Now you will get this integral in terms of this form. So comparing with integration over C u dx plus v dy. Comparing both, you will get value of u is equals to cos y and value of v is x into 1 minus sin y. Therefore, value of dA by u by dA by y, it is equals to minus sin y, and dA by v by dA by x, it is equals to 1 minus sin y. Now, using Green's theorem, we just say this integral as I. So using Green's theorem, I is equals to integration over C u dx plus v dy. That is by Green's theorem, double integration over A, area A, dA by v by dA by x minus dA by u by dA by y dx dy. Putting the values of dA by v by dA by x and dA by u by dA by y, so you will get double integration over a dA by v by dA by x is 1 minus sin y minus dA by u by dA by y is minus sin y, so minus minus plus sin y dx dy. So here minus sin y plus sin y get cancelled, you will get double integration over a 1 dx dy. Now double integration over a dx dy, this means area. This is the formula of area. This means area of given curve. And which curve is given? So the curve is given x square plus y square is equals to 1. So here area of given curve x square plus y square is equals to 1. That is a circle. What is the formula for area of a circle? That is pi r square. So pi into 1 square, since the radius is equals to 1 here, so it is equals to pi. So we will get the value of given integral I is equals to pi, that is integration over c cos y I bar plus x into 1 minus sin y j bar dot dr bar is equals to pi. That is final answer. Next example, find the work done in moving a particle once around the ellipse. So you have given the path as a ellipse, and when that this ellipse is a closed curve. Under the field of force given by F bar is equals to 2x minus y plus z I bar plus x plus y minus z square j bar plus 3x minus 2y plus 4z k bar. Is the field conservative? See, we have given the curve, it is closed curve, and also the z is equals to 0, so we can use Green's theorem. So here W is work done is equals to close integral over c f bar dot dr bar. This is equals to close integral over c 2x minus y plus z I bar plus x plus y minus z square j bar plus 3x minus 2y plus 4z k bar dot product with dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar, dot product with dr bar, value of dr bar is dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. So simplifying, we will get close integral over c 2x minus y plus z into dx plus x plus y minus z square into dy plus 3x minus 2y plus 4z into dz. But in curve we have given that value of z is equals to 0. But z is equals to 0, this implies dz is also 0. So you will get integration over c 2x minus y, value of z is 0, so into dx. Here x plus y into dy, and third term automatically becomes 0 because value of dz is 0. Now this term we can equate with integration over c u dx plus v dy. So this is value of u and this is value of v. U is equals to 2x minus y, v is equals to x plus y. So dA by u by dA by y is equals to minus 1 and dA by v by dA by x is equals to 1. Now using Green's theorem, so what is Green's theorem? So integration over c u dx plus v dy is equals to double integration over area dA by v by dA by x minus dA by u by dA by y dx dy. So integration of u dx plus v dy is nothing but our w. So w is equals to double integration over a dA by v by dA by x is 1 minus dA by u by dA by it is minus 1, so minus minus plus 1 into dx dy. So this 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 taken outside, 2 into double integration over area a dx dy. So again here we will get the formula for area. So this is equals to 2 times area of given curve, which is given curve x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 is equals to 1. So this is equals to 2 into pi a b, where a is length of major axis, b is length of minor axis, or we can say value of a is here 5 and value of b is 4, because the standard equation of ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equals to 1. So this is equals to 2 times pi, value of a is 5, value of b is 4. Since value of a is 5, b is 4. So you will get 5 into 4 is 20 into 2, 45. Work done is 45. Value of work done is not equal to 0. Therefore, F bar is not conservative. That is final answer. Now remaining examples we will see in the next video. Thank you.